In this problem, we're asked to determine the sample size needed for an interval estimate of the population mean when the population standard deviation is known. So we went through a previous problem where sigma was unknown. Here it is known, and it will be given to us in the problem. Now we use a slightly different formula here. In this case, we're going to be determining the sample size that we need using a z-score according to some alpha, or significance level, divided by 2. In other words, that tells us the area in our distribution that is above this certain point. So this area here is going to be equal to alpha divided by 2. And we're squaring this, multiplying that by the standard deviation squared divided by our margin of error squared. And again, this is from equation 8.3 in the book. I think that's found on page 366 or somewhere around there. So suppose that we are asked to do this for a 90% or 99% confidence interval, rather, that we have a margin of error equal to 0.2 again, and an alpha equal to 1 minus 0.99 equals 0.01. Okay. And so our alpha divided by 2 would equal 0.005. So we need a z-score here of 2.576. And again, you can find that from table 8.1 in the textbook. And suppose that we're given a sigma equal to 0.5. Now again, we're just plugging and chugging, so n equals 2.576 squared times 0.5 squared divided by 0.2 squared, and this gives us 41.47, something around there. And again, we need to make sure to round up. So the total sample size needed would be 42.